Today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram filters. I'm going to show you how to use Instagram filters. So whether you are posting a reel, a story, just a regular post, or even going live, you'll have the exact same filter options. On the top left, click on the plus icon. Here you will see at the bottom it says post, story, reel, whatever it is that you're going to be using. So on your actual post that you're using, on the story that you're using right now, you can see at the bottom here, these are some effects that you can use. As you can see, they are different effects. Okay, so these special effects you can use on your story. You can also save it just by tapping on the little save icon at the bottom here. And you'll have some different filters if you are going to make a post or a reel. So let's go into post. I have chosen an image from my camera roll to post, and I'm going to click on filters, and here again you can see different filters. Is that not amazing? Once you're done, you've chosen the filter that you'd like, click on done, and now you can go through the process of tapping on next and tapping on share to share your post or your reel or your story, whichever one you've chosen, with your filter on.